Let's make this Moringa egg root butter, shall we? The first ingredient you're going to need is olive oil. Actually, you can use any other carrier oil of choice, be it grapeseed oil, sunflower oil, or even avocado oil. Now to the main ingredient. The main ingredient here is moringa powder. This is a store-bought moringa powder. If you have the moringa leaves, you can make your own powder yourself. Moringa has lots of benefits to the hair, which I'm going to talk about in this video. But first, we're going to add the moringa powder into the olive oil and make sure to mix it well. This is called the infusion phase. We are going to infuse the moringa powder in the olive oil. This can take as long as you want. You can infuse this oil for as long as you want. You can infuse it for like 2 weeks or even up to a month. But in this video, I am just going to use the fast method, which we are going to watch very soon. Now to the benefits of moringa. Moringa powder improves blood circulation to the hair, which promotes hair growth. And as you might know, increased blood flow nourishes the hair follicles and stimulates growth, leading to thicker and healthier hair over time. What you need next is hot water, because we're going to go for the double boiling method. But the difference between the double boiling method and this one is that this will not be placed on a cooker. It will not be placed on a heat. I'm just going to infuse it this way so that it doesn't destroy the nutrients in my moringa. If you're wondering why I'm using the cloth beneath my glass bowl, is just to protect my glass bowl. Even though this glass bowl says it is heat safe, the last time I tried using this for double boiling method, it broke. So I'm just trying to use this method so that it can protect my glass bowl from breaking. That being said, you want to make sure you infuse it for about 20 to 40 minutes. And make sure you keep mixing so that it pours out its nutrients into the oil. Now the next ingredient we need is shea butter. Without butters, there is nothing like hair butter. So we need butters to make hair butter. I'm going to be using 2 types of butter in this particular video. I'm going to be using shea butter and mango butter because they are the most popular butters, and I love the consistency or the texture of shea butter and mango butter combined together in a hair butter. If you have any other butters like moru butter, cocoa butter, you can use any of those butters. I'm very sure they will also be good in making hair butters. Shea butter is rich in fatty acid and contains other nutrients that are important for maintaining a healthy scalp. It is also very high in vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin F. It helps keep your hair soft and moisturized, which is especially important for people with natural hair or who often have dry hair and dry scalp. Now let's talk about mango butter. Mango butter is also rich in vitamins like vitamin A and E. It fortifies your hair strands inside and out. It softens dry hair. It reduces hair breakage and also repairs split ends. It's about 45 minutes I've been infusing this. Actually, I changed the hot water. When that one got cool a little bit, I had to change it and continue to infuse. So I'm just going to sieve my moringa oil out from the shaft. So let me just use this moment to introduce myself. Hi, my name is Z and I make products on skin and hair care. You can check out my channel, and if you like what you see, please subscribe and also give this video a like if you have been enjoying watching this video. Have you ever tried any hair butter? If you have tried any type of hair butter, just let me know. Please let me know in the comment section. Maybe I might give it a try if I haven't. Now, after sieving the moringa oil, the next thing to do is I'm going to combine my butters together, and I'm going to use the double boiling method to melt these butters. I think it is important to tell you that whenever you are making hair butters, you should consider the kind of oils, kind of butters you're going to use. If you're using cocoa butter, make sure you use a small percentage. If you're using coconut oil, make sure you use just a little bit, because all these things can determine how your butter will look and how the texture will feel. If you're using a lot of cocoa butter, your butter might end up coming a little bit hard. And if you're putting it on your hair, you have to use your hand to make sure you soften it, to make sure you release all the lumps that has been made because of the cocoa butter, then before you apply it to your hair. And if you're also using coconut oil, make sure you use a very low percentage because it can determine if your butter will start to melt. You all know how coconut oil is, right? So what I'm doing here is that I realized my oil, especially my shea butter, was dirty. That is why if you want to buy your butters, please buy from a clean vendor, buy from a store. It's even better to buy it from a store or order from Amazon. It is very dirty and cloudy, so I had to just sieve it because I can't use this in my hair care products. You also have to pay attention to the things you put in your hair. Don't just be nonchalant about your hair because all these things can clog your pores and might make you seem like you're not doing anything to your hair while you have been using this and this product on your hair, but it's just not working. Make sure you are using clean product on your hair. After sieving, look at how clean it looks. Clean and beautiful. So the next thing I'm going to do is to just pour in my Moringa oil into the melted butters. Moringa is rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for healthy hair, including vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E, iron, and zinc. These nutrients are nutrients that are known to work together to nourish your hair follicles, strengthen your hair strands, and improve the overall health of your hair. So after mixing this butter and oil together, I just placed my Moringa oil or melted butters into the fridge and I just left it there. Please don't be like me. You can just leave it in there for about 30 minutes and get it out. But even if you're like me, it's still fine. It's okay. We're going to work with what we have. So if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe to my channel and await lots of products, more formulations on skincare products and hair care products. Subscribe and also give this video a like. Thank you. I'm just trying to use my spatula to make it soft, like to soften it so that I don't just put my whisk into something that is really hard, and it is pretty soft. So the next step, you're going to get a whisk or a mixer. If you have a mixer, it will be good. If you have a whisk, it's good as well. If you don't have any of this, it's fine. You just place your butter into the fridge for a little amount of time, like for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and you use your fork or your spoon to just mix it well, like you mix it well. And with that, you also achieve the same consistency like the one you're watching. So I just had to pause a little bit to add in my cool down phase. This phase consists of 2 ingredients in this formulation, which is vitamin E and essential oil. You can swap the essential oil for a fragrance oil. Yes, the ingredients will be on the screen very soon, so you can just write it down, you copy it or come back to watch it. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that just preserves your oils. It is not a preservative, but it has the capacity to preserve your oils. But when your product contains water, vitamin E cannot preserve that. So essential oil also is also good for the hair. You can add any essential oil of choice. You can use peppermint or any other essential oil you have. Now this is the finished product. So beautiful. And I've had this for like 5 days now. It is not oily. In fact, it has not melted. It will not melt with this formulation. It has not melted. It is not oily. It is not thick. Whenever you just put it on your hair, it just melts in your hair and moisturize it and make it shiny and gives it this beautiful smell. So I would want you to make yours. If you will make yours, let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, till I see you in my next video. Stay happy, stay safe, and stay healthy. Bye.